Today I'm working in one of my flashcard journals. I wanted to show you guys how to work in it, just like you normally do any other journal, but I wanted to show you working on a page that had a lot of stuff going on already. And then I also was going to use something from the ephemera treasure tin. And so here I am going through just trying to see what would work well with the existing colors, because I'm just going to work from the color palette that's already down. Here I am just choosing the colors that are already there and adding an extra one that's in the circle ephemera the stitchy tab that I added. I'm just adding directly onto the page and then just moving around the acrylic paint. I recently switched to just using inexpensive paints. When I paint my canvases, I use the golden paints, but whenever I'm in my journal, I don't want to worry about how much it costs or how much paint I use or if I decide to go over it. So I think simple, inexpensive paints for your art journal that are highly pigmented are perfect. Now I'm taking a Stabilo and I wet it, and then I lay it down and I'm holding the pencil at the very end, trying to keep my lines loose and free. Now that that's dry, I wanted to go in with the yellow ochre color just to help that ephemera stand out on there. So I'm just kind of laying it out and smishing around some color there, and didn't love it. So I had to go back in and do a few little tweaks to it, add some more purple, and then go back over those lines. Here I was thinking that maybe it needed to be a little brighter, so I'm adding some white, just little dots to the background. I'm just using the tip of my finger as my paintbrush because I just wanted something a little organic and rough in shape. So that just works perfectly. And so then I decided that it was, I'm going to run it through the sticker maker and lay it down. Now I'm taking the Stabilo, wetting it, and kind of circling around it, doing some scribbly lines and then dabbing off the excess water. Now I'm going back in with Posca pins and adding some fine details. I wanted to copy the pattern that I used in the Stabilo also in the white Posca pin, and so that's what I'm doing here, except for when I went to use it, it was dry, so I had to go grab another one. I swear we're having this conversation every time I do a YouTube video. Dry Posca pin. I need to just have like 20 of them ready for me. But anyways, here we go. Adding the details. I like mimicking the background details with a little bit on the forefront. It just is kind of fun. Now I'm adding some details to the ephemera that I added, the stitchy tab, and then I'm going in and doodling in the patterns in the background as well. Thank you so much for subscribing and being a part of this channel. If you have anything that you would like me to do, shoot me an email or leave a comment and I will put it on my list of to-dos.